In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your data out of Zoho Books. Whether you're looking to back up your valuable information or simply want to migrate it to another platform, knowing how to export your data effectively is essential. Let's dive right in and guide you through this step-by-step process to ensure you can accomplish this smoothly. To start, you should first navigate to the Zoho Books dashboard. This is the central hub of your Zoho Books account where you'll find all the important links and features. So open up your web browser, log into your Zoho account, and head straight to the dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, your next step is to locate and click on the settings icon. This icon is generally represented by a gear symbol. Clicking it will bring up a menu with various options related to the configuration of your Zoho Books account. Look for the section labeled Developer and Data. Clicking on this option is key to accessing the next stage of data management within Zoho Books. Now that you're in the developer and data section, we're going to dig a little deeper. The next option you need to click on is data administration. This section is crucial as it houses all the tools necessary for managing your data, including exporting and backing up. By clicking here, you'll be directed to another set of options that are specifically tailored to data management tasks. Arriving at the data administration area, you'll want to look for a link titled Back Up Your Data. This is where Zoho Books allows you to create a backup of your entire database. It's always a good practice to back up your data regularly as it ensures you have a copy stored safely should anything unexpected occur. Click on Back Up Your Data to begin the process. Once you initiate the backup, Zoho provides you with options on how and where you'd like your data to be saved. Typically, Zoho Books will create a downloadable link for your database that you can keep for your records or use for migration purposes. Depending on the size of your data, this process might take a little time. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have successfully exported your data out of Zoho Books. Remember, keeping backups of your data is not just a good habit, it's a smart business practice. Doing so regularly ensures that your important information is always within reach and can save you considerable trouble down the line. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and see you next time.